That is so fascinating. You see the lightning strike over there, but the sound, it came from there, over there, you know, it just came from everywhere. You can still hear it over here too. It's all the storm clouds over there. This is insane. A lot of the good lightning's coming from this area of the sky. Oh wow, that was huge. Now ready for the thunder? This is gonna be insane. The storm's about 6 kilometers away. Roughly 6. It's relatively close actually. Oh, here comes the rain. Hey, look at the sky over there now. It's almost like it's turning nighttime. Oh yeah, and that rain is, and the wind. It's starting to come down. This is insane. That storm is much closer now. That was at least 1.5 kilometers. And I'm out of here. I got that last strike in slow motion. And that rain is coming down, look at that. Alright, I'm going inside. I'll see you later.